Hi, this is Rich with Edison Litho. We've got these labels that were received as sample labels that were stuck together. And what I found is that there seems to be static electricity holding these labels together and not allowing them to slide and move and get air into the pack as easily as would be expected. But typically under certain humidity and temperature conditions, static electricity can kind of bunch up the sheets of paper so that the pile is not able to move freely to allow air to get in between the sheets. By taking the sheets when they're in this flat position, you bend them over so that you're fanning out the edge, and then you squeeze this together, and you do this on both ends. You do it on the end on each. Opposite end as I'm doing here, and then when you squeeze here and then straighten out the sheets, you can see that the natural effect is for the bottom sheet to sort of gusset down and change its parallel position to the top sheet, and by picking those up and moving them, you're adding air to the sheets. Load the label laminating tray with the labels like that. So it's on both ends, sort of bend it down, squeeze and pinch your two fingers together, and then just lift up the sheets. And that'll add a lot of air in the sheets. And as you can see, they float very easily. So this should help in free up the static electricity out of the labels and get air between the sheets as you're loading them into the laminating deck.